Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you make a delicious medium-well sirloin steak. First, select a sirloin steak about 1.5 inches thick. Pat it completely dry with paper towels to ensure a fantastic sear. Then, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before you start cooking. This simple preparation is key to a flavorful and evenly cooked steak. Now let's get that perfect sear. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as canola or grapeseed. Carefully place your seasoned sirloin in the hot pan. Sear it for 3 to 4 minutes per side. Resist the urge to move it. This creates that beautiful, rich, brown crust we're looking for, locking in all the juices. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan, along with aromatics like a few smashed garlic cloves and fresh thyme sprigs. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter and aromatics for about 2 minutes. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium well doneness. A meat thermometer is your best friend here. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Transfer the cooked sirloin to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the meat. Resting prevents them from escaping when you slice. Finally, slice your delicious sirloin against the grain into half-inch thick pieces for maximum tenderness. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.